Are your little monsters always losing their tissues? Well, have no fear. Make these little Sniffle Monster Tissue Pouches and they will never lose them again.
Lay fabric right side up and align natural trim along the shortest end of the fabric. Sew at the edge of the trim. Lay lining right side down on top of the natural trim. Flip it over and use the line as a guide to sew alongside it through the center of the natural trim. Open and press with an iron. Repeat step 1 and 2 on the other side. Turn right sides together and sew along the side seams and leave a 10 cm gap. Trim corners, turn right sides out and poke out the corners. Fold raw edges in. Fold it in half, right sides facing up, and mark center points with pins. Fold top and bottom to meet in the center and pin together. Sew both the short ends and turn right side out. Stick, joggle eyes and fill with a packet of pocket-sized tissues and enjoy.